Hi everyone! Welcome back! If you love bags and SLG's designer or not, please do consider subscribing to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. So today I have an exciting unboxing with you. This is my very first Kate Spade bag and it was a gift from my sister. So let's open. I was very lucky to be gifted my very first Kate Spade bag, and this is in a color navy, I believe. Kate Spade has been in my radar ever since I saw designs of Kate Spade, but still haven't decided to get anything from them. But my sister, who loves me so much, gave me this one, Kate Spade bag, and I'm so happy to have it. It's very cute. And this one she has given me is a dome bag from Kate Spade. It's a very cute dome bag, little dome bag, small dome crossbody. This is the style number Cali, and this is from the Christmas collection, I think. I'm not really sure about that, please don't quote me on that. And this tag, it's got the dream treatment, a special finish that protects it from scratches. So this is a finish that has the treatment that protects it from scratches, so that's a good thing. This is just a simple bag in the navy color, and let's open. Okay. So it's got this. So the inside has this spades icons of or logo of Kate Spade with their logo inside, and it has this zippered area pocket on the inside where you can put probably your ID, or this is the care card. So I'll just put it inside again there. So this is a fabric lining, and so here's the tag, and it's made in Myanmar. So this is such a cute bag with a shiny silver hardware. I think I'm gonna enjoy this very much. This is my very first Kate Spade bag, and I really love the designs of Kate Spade. They are very fresh and young feel and playful at the same time, so I really like it. But this one has a non-removable strap. Yes, it is a non-removable strap, but adjustable. You can adjust it. How many holes in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 holes to adjust it. So there. This is a different material. They have this like a shiny, like a textured leather part on this side, and also on the other side as well. Different material from this one. This is a very smooth material. I really love the craftsmanship. Very well made. Like Coach. I really like it. I really like it. I'm so thankful. Thank you to my sister who loves me so much and gave me my very first Kate Spade bag. I'm so very lucky. So this is just a simple bag that I think my phone can fit inside if I remove my phone case. I think this is such a small shape. These days we don't need big bags. We are always at home, and this one is perfect. I'm so very happy to have this one as my very first Kate Spade bag, and I'm so happy to have more in the future, and I think I will buy more in the future. So I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always thank God for all these beautiful blessings. See you next time. Bye.